I say, are we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider, and I just pulled up to this customer. She has a flat tire right here on her van. What we're gonna do is something I've never done on this channel. We're gonna fix this tire together. We're not gonna plug it. We're gonna break it down and patch it. Usually I know I'm changing tires, whether that's semi-truck tires, passenger vehicle tires, but this one, if it can be patched, we are gonna patch it. And this job starts in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I think we are coming up in the world. Yes, no, maybe. There we are. Oh, I see it right now. I can't fix it. I won't be able to fix it. I'm gonna take it off. I'll show it to you. I saw it. As soon as I jacked it up, that tire can't be fixed. She is my first call today. I wasn't gonna work. But when she called, something just told me, Mike, answer the phone. And here we are. Hopefully I will be able to get her taken care of though, because I don't have that tire in stock. But this is what 15 years of doing tires will teach you. You can't see what I see, can you? I think your phone is ringing. As soon as I jacked it up, I looked over here and I saw this. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'll show it to you. Let's get it off. Now watch what I saw. Yep, I saw that just from jacking it up. That tire can't be fixed. Good thing you did pull over though, because it was gonna blow out and that was gonna be ugly. That joker is gone. Let me get out of the sun. Cannot be fixed, man. I thought I had a treat for y'all today, but it still could be a treat because I gotta find her a tire.
So can you go to a tire shop and get me another one?
And that's what I'm gonna see if they have it.
Okay.
245, 50, 20. Give me 1 second, let me make some phone calls. Okay. What I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna call some of my suppliers, see if I can find that tire, and we're gonna get back to it. Okay, y'all, so what I did do was, I took it to a tire shop that I do business with. I've been buying tires from them for a while, and I actually changed tires for them as well on certain things that they can't handle. And as you can see, they got the tire on there. We got some new weights on us, so that means it's balanced for anybody in the comment section. And that wheel is not scratched. Now, normally what I would do is I would still change the tire myself and just buy the tire from them. But she really wanted to get that tire balanced. So I just let them change the tire, and like a dodo, I didn't get any content. However, what you are seeing is me loading up, and we're about to get out of here. So let me at least get the front of the building. I am up here at Economy Tire in Macon. If you're from the Macon, Middle Georgia area, you know about them. If you're in Florida, you may know about them. They're one of the biggest used tire dealers in the area. I love them. I do business with them. They do business with me. I send customers their way. And I'm about to get out here and head to my customer so we can make her day. All right, y'all, we pulling back in to this customer. I know she's about to be excited to see me. I don't know if you guys caught the conversation before, but she's heading to a dog show and we're about to get her there. Let's get it. I'm back, man. Hopefully that didn't take too long. Got you a great looking tire on there.
Excellent, excellent. Love it when there's no belt showing.
Oh, none at all. That's what we want. And I don't know if you saw that, but I did look at your other tires before I left.
Okay.
And none of those are showing that.
This one was the oldest.
And that's probably why.
Yeah, he had replaced 2, and then like 1 got a nail or something and got replaced. So that was the oldest one.
Got you. Yeah, because your other tires, they look pretty good.
Okay, good.
What I will ask you to do though, that back tire on the other side, do you remember why you got it changed?
I don't.
Okay.
It's my husband's territory.
I got you. When you get a chance to get with him on that, just ask him, was it showing belts as well, or did it like wear kind of like on the inside as well? If so, that would be signs of an alignment or of it needing an alignment.
Right.
Let me go ahead and tighten you down though. Set 3/4. All right. Now let's get you out of here. Remember, I am recording, so what I'm about to say is gonna sound crazy. NASCAR, you ready? Hold on. Let's see. I say that because I've never said that with a customer by me. I know that sounds crazy, but it's just one of my taglines. Gonna let you down. Ladies and gentlemen, a job well done. She is good to go. No scratches or anything on the wheel. Tire balanced. A success.